Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video I want to show you a little bit about Facebook advertising. I hope in the last few lessons you have learned about Google advertising and Twitter advertising, and Facebook is the next major paid advertising platform when it comes to digital marketing. So here I am right now in the dashboard of my Facebook Ads Manager. So if you have a Facebook account, you can create a Facebook Ads account from within your account. You will need an international debit card which works online, or you will need a credit card to activate your account. Alternatively, you can use PayPal as well. I have published a blog post on my blog about the different payment options you can use in Facebook. So if you go to my blog, so just search for here, search for articles. So you can find an article about it, how to pay for Facebook ads in India. And in this article I have explained the various payment methods you can use with Facebook. So once you set up your ads account, you will be able to go in and start creating different types of advertising. So I will show you some of the campaigns that I ran on my Facebook account and how I got the results from Facebook. So right now I am in the dashboard of my Facebook Ads Manager, and here you can see some of the campaigns that I have run previously. So this particular campaign which says LDM India Clicks, this is for Learn Digital Marketing campaign. So you probably would have signed up from Facebook for this digital marketing course because I ran a campaign on Facebook. So right now you can see that I am spending $20 per day to advertise my free digital marketing course, and a lot of people are coming to my landing page and signing up for my free digital marketing course because I am running the ads on Facebook. So here you can see that this is a click based campaign. This is website clicks, and I have got like 5,424 clicks at 16 cents per click. So this is $881 I have spent on Facebook. So I have also ran a conversion campaign. So here you can see 1,009 conversions from 94,000 people who this ad was shown, and this is 33 cents per conversion. So I will show you all types of ads. So you can run a click based ad, or you can run a conversion based ad also. So here is another campaign for Learn Digital Marketing. So here you can see there has been 1,352 conversions here, right? And 1 lakh people have been reached with this ad, and the average cost per conversion is only 22 cents. So 22 cents is what, around, it's less than 15 rupees, right? So right now my Facebook account is denominated in dollars because that's how it was when I set up the account, but you can set up a Facebook account which is denominated in Indian rupees as well, if you feel that that's what makes sense for you. So what I recommend you to start doing, in Facebook is that you always go to the Power Editor. So if you click on the Power Editor here, it will go to the Power Editor. So I will show you inside Power Editor. So this is my Power Editor account inside Facebook. So Power Editor only works on Google Chrome, and it's basically like a software which loads inside Google Chrome, and once you make some changes, you have to upload the changes by clicking on Review Changes, right? So Power Editor has more options than the standard Facebook Ads Manager, and right from the beginning I would want you to start using the Power Editor so that you start getting comfortable with it. So I will show you the different types of campaigns that you can run with Facebook. So you have to click on Create Campaign. I recommend the auction type of advertising because in the auction type you will be paying only a little bit more than what the previous bidder is paying, right? So here you can create a new campaign, you can select buying type, and these are the different types of campaign that you can run on Facebook. So clicks to website, this is the standard thing which many people run. So if you have a landing page to which you want to get clicks and start getting leads from your landing page, then you have to select clicks to website. So if you have a desktop app, you want to promote it like a Mac App Store app or desktop application, you can use this. Desktop app installs, event responses, lead generation. Lead generation is only for mobile now. This is for Facebook lead ads. So local awareness, mobile app engagement, mobile app install, offer claims, page likes, page post engagement, product catalog sales, video views, and website conversions. So the three types of ads which I have mainly run are clicks to website, lead generation campaigns via Facebook lead ads, and website conversions. So if you want to learn more about Facebook lead ads, I have written an article about it on my blog. You can go and search for Facebook lead ads, and you can check out this particular article. So I have completely explained how Facebook lead ads work. So going back to the Power Editor, so let's say clicks to the website. just select a new ad set. Let us say test ad set, and new ad would be test ad, and campaign name again test 1. So let us say this is a clicks to the website campaign, and let me click on create. And now there will be 3 levels in this. One is the campaign level, so that's what you see here. So if you click on this pencil icon, this goes back. If you click on the pencil icon again, it comes back. And here you in the campaign level there is not much to change. You can check performance insights and the name of the campaign. You can edit it here, but usually I don't do much in the campaign level. Click on the campaign, and then now you see the ad set. See, ad set is the level where you set up targeting and the page from which you are promoting. You will set up the daily budget as well. So let's say daily budget $20. You have the option of setting a lifetime budget for the campaign also. Let's say the lifetime budget is $50, and you can go ahead and do a schedule start and schedule end. For lifetime campaigns, you have to schedule an end date as well. Let's say 21st is the end date. Then you have the audience. So this is the most important part of Facebook advertising. You have to target the right audience. So if you click on edit audience, here you will be able to target based on country, based on city, and based on interest. So detailed targeting, add demographics, interests and behaviors. For example, I did a detailed targeting. I targeted only the people who are interested in digital marketing. So if I go into interests, then or I can actually search for it. So let me search for digital marketing. So here Facebook says that in India 18 to 65 years there are 1.5 million people who have shown interest in digital marketing through one form of the another. Either they liked a page related to digital marketing, they mentioned it on their profile somewhere. So connection type, I can also select people who like my page, friends of people who like my page, or exclude people who like my page. So all these options are there. So once you target the right audience, let's say you bring down the targeting to 2 lakh people or 3 lakh people, the narrower your target is, the costlier your ads will become. The broader your target is, your ads will perform less because you are doing a very broad target. So more about this when I create videos about Facebook advanced course, which I am planning to launch soon. But this is just the basics. So here you can advertise on Instagram as well. There is an option to advertise on Instagram. You can advertise on desktop right column, desktop news feed, audience network, mobile news feed. You can select all mobile devices, or you can select iOS devices only, Android only, or you can just remove mobile if you don't want mobile. So what I do is that I mostly run ads only on the desktop, because I have felt that people who use the computers to browse Facebook are a little bit more engaged with my ads and with my landing pages. So you can optimize the ad delivery for link clicks to the website. You can optimize it for impressions, or you can optimize for maximum daily unique reach, right? So we will deliver your ads to people up to once a day. So this is like only once a day. So we will deliver ads to people as many times as possible. This is for impressions. So link clicks to the website, this is what we started the campaign with. So here Facebook will optimize. Facebook will only show the ads which Facebook thinks they are most likely to click on the ad, right? And when you get charged whenever someone clicks on your link. So this is CPC based. So if you select impressions, you will be charged for every 1000 impressions. So this is CPM. CPM is cost per mil, also called as cost per 1000 impressions. Click on this again, you will go to the individual ad. So within each ad set, you can create multiple ads, and it will run within the same budget. So here you can select a page. Let's say I select my own page, Deepak. And so here you can create the actual ad. You can enter the target website URL display option. So the sample ad will be displayed here on this side. And once you make all the changes, so you can have a tracking pixel also. And once you make all the changes, what you can do is you can click on review changes, and once you click on review changes, all the changes will be uploaded and your ads will start running. So what I would suggest you do there, so right now this video is beyond the scope of explaining about custom conversions, audience and audience insights. So you have pixels, custom conversions, you have audiences, custom audiences. There are lots of options inside Facebook, and just for the Facebook advertising alone, I can go ahead and create several videos which will explain how Facebook ads work, right? So this is just the basics. So what I would recommend you do, go and try Facebook advertising, spend some $5 or $10, just get a hang of how the whole thing works. And once you do that, you will be much more capable to learn the advanced of Facebook advertising, which I will let you know once I launch that course. And you can also check out some websites like johnloomer.com. There are certain blogs which specialize just in Facebook advertising. You can follow those blogs as well, learn more about Facebook advertising, but you have to start with some basic experience. So all the best for Facebook advertising, and I will see you in the next video.